This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Toyota Supra sound with Mouth Easy Guide. Begin by shaping your lips and throat to mimic an engine exhaust pop, then practice short bursts and long revs. Use a metronome at 80 BPM to nail timing and record slow, then speed up while keeping clarity and breath control. Watch mouth shape in mirror and compare to real exhaust to adjust tone and resonance. Warm up your vocal tract with humming and lip trills for 5 minutes to prevent strain and improve tone. Practice 3 essential sounds: the intake snarl, the backfire pop, and the sustained rev, isolating each until consistent. Record at different distances and angles to capture realistic dynamics and choose the best blend for your performance. Rest between sets and hydrate regularly daily to maintain vocal health during longer practice sessions. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and tips. Also, check out the product seen here, a handy Oala water bottle that keeps you hydrated between vocal sets. It fits in most cup holders and is great for long sessions when you need water between takes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Imitate exhaust timbre by varying mouth cavity size and tongue placement to shift pitch and grit, and practice controlled breath pulses. Combine diaphragm pulses with voiced and unvoiced bursts to simulate turbo spool, blow-off sounds, and belches for realism. Record multiple takes, layer the best parts, and apply light EQ or reverb to add space while keeping the raw mouth tone upfront. Practice daily and compare with real car sounds to refine timing and character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.